एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब। आई होप कि आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे। सो गाइस, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं लेकर आई हूँ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टूल्स नेम, जो अभी आप अपने डेली लाइफ में यूज़ करते हैं। उन टूल्स को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं, तो उन्हें आज आप सीखने वाले हो इस वीडियो में। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हो तो जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन हिट ज़रूर करें ताकि आने वाली सभी वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिलती रहे। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड टुडेज वीडियोस। screw screw cordless drill electric drill drill beat concrete mixer, and you can say cement mixer, mixing drill, you can say electric concrete mixer, glue gun, bench drill machine, welding machine, riveter, vernier caliper, digital vernier caliper, safety glasses, safety gloves, ear muff, tool belt, bench voice, socket, shovel, protector, ruler, trowel, plastering trowel, washer, wire brush, plunger, pincers, pickaxe, lathe machine, work light, and you can say floodlight, work light, sticky tape, next one, masking tape, next one is electrical tape, next socket, center punch, table grinder, and you can say bench grinder, angle finder, grinding wheel, and you can say sandpaper flap dish, sandpaper, and you can say emery paper, jack, jack, sanding machine, and you can say sander, sander, whetstone, whetstone, board marker, board marker, tongs, tongs, chalk, chalk, pulley, pulley, digital multimeter, digital multimeter, voltage detector, voltage detector, snips, snips, crimper, crimper, fire extinguisher, fire extinguisher, thermometer, thermometer, hook, hook, micrometer, micrometer, plumb bob, plumb bob, wire cutter, wire cutter, bevel, bevel, magnifying glass, magnifying glass, digital scale, digital scale, dust pan, dust pan, locking snap hook, locking snap hook, rope, rope, safety cable, safety cable, walkie-talkie, walkie-talkie, whistle, whistle, megaphone, megaphone, step ladder, step ladder, long nose plier, long nose pliers, diagonal plier, diagonal plier, flat nose plier, flat nose plier, combination pliers, combination pliers, adjustable wrench, and you can say monkey wrench, monkey wrench, combination wrench, combination wrench, ratchet wrench, you can say socket wrench, pipe wrench, pipe wrench, double open end wrench, double open end wrench, lug wrench, lug wrench, axe, axe, workbench, workbench, anvil, anvil, bolt, bolt, Allen key or Allen wrench, spirit level, spirit level, nut, nut, torch, flashlight, torch, toolbox, toolbox, broom, broom, bucket, bucket, cable, cable, chisel, chisel, handsaw, handsaw, chainsaw, chainsaw, hacksaw, hacksaw, pruning saw, pruning saw, measuring tape, tape measure, tape measure, clamp, you can say C-clamp, scissors, scissors, knife, knife, razor knife, razor knife, pocket knife, pocket knife, hammer, hammer, hand brush, hand brush, paint roller, paint roller, paint brush, paint brush, file, flat file, hand grinder, hand grinder, saw blade, saw blade, mallet, rubber mallet, mallet, flat try square, flat try square, L square, step ladder, L square, step ladder,